Welcome to our guide on advanced settings for your phone in 2025. In this video, we'll explore the crucial options that can enhance your phone experience. Let's start by navigating the settings menu. Here are some tips for quick access to the options you need most. Customizing your display settings is key to a better viewing experience. Let's adjust brightness, resolution, and blue light filters. Managing your privacy settings is crucial. We'll guide you through app permissions and maintaining your data security. Accessibility features are essential for enhancing usability for everyone. Let's explore how to make your device more accessible. Want to make your battery last longer? We'll dive into advanced battery settings and give you management tips. Configuring connectivity options is vital for staying connected. We'll show you how to manage Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for performance. Let's explore how to check for updates regularly. Setting up notifications is about maintaining focus. We'll show you how to customize notifications for your needs. Thank you for exploring these advanced settings with us. Take the time to personalize your phone and enhance your daily tech experience.